Lesson 3. What is a chip? In Lesson 1, we learned that measurement matters. In Lesson 2, we saw how small 10 atoms wide really is. Now let's put it together. What exactly are we building? Let's crack one open. This black rectangle with metal legs? This is not the chip. It's just the package, the protective shell. The real chip is inside. A tiny sliver of silicon, smaller than your fingernail. Everything happens on that sliver of silicon. So what's on that silicon? Transistors. Billions of them. A transistor is just a switch. Off or on, 0 or 1. One switch doesn't do much, but string enough together and they can do math. Photos, videos, AI. Your car's split-second decisions. All transistors switching billions of times a second. In 1971, the Intel 4004 had 2,300 transistors. Today, NVIDIA's Blackwell chip has 208 billion. More transistors than stars in the Milky Way, on something the size of a postage stamp. And if just one transistor is out of place, the chip doesn't work. Chips aren't just in your phone. Cars have over 100 chips each. Pacemakers, lives depend on them. Your fridge, your thermostat, satellites beaming GPS to your pocket. When chip factories slowed during COVID, car factories stopped. Not steel, not tires. Chips. Now you know, a chip is billions of tiny switches on a sliver of silicon. But how do you build something that complex, at a scale you can't even see? Next up, Lesson 4, how a chip is made. Deposition, lithography, etch.